Today is Tuesday the 30th of July. Today will be the first day of wheat harvest where things really get going. They're just going to grease the combine up, ready to make a start. We're going to get grease going. Right, unlike the barley straw where we laid it in a swath to be baled, the wheat straw is going to be chopped. So we need to convert it to being chopped. So we unlock that, we flick the lever there. That's it. Now ready to chop straw. Everything else should be pretty good. She's got fuel, just needs to grease up. First full start. Operator forgot to check the battery of the grease gun before he came out the field. Quick trip back to the farm, replacement battery, and we're on the move again. I'm coming back to the farm, got our jack to help reposition the boom in the JCB after having hydraulic pipe sorted out. Just helped out with the magnitude. Try and make it fit. Wheat harvest 2024 underway, first field. There's Ella waiting over there. First tank's already been out. Not a bad looking crop, considering the year we've had. So let's hope it goes well. Kate's Puma 240 on the grain cart with Alan. He's a bit keen, I ain't never got half a tank yet. He'll get the message in a minute. Little large in the tractor and trailer berth. 6430 on the Brian leg and the Case 240 on the Richard Western. John Deere come for a visit. Tom, when I'm in here, I don't want to be out there. Alan in his armchair.